Hey guys, it's Brisha from Tarte Cosmetics. It's Aquarius season. I'm an Aquarius and I secretly love astrology, so I really want to show you guys this Aquarius inspired eye look for you today. And it's super crazy and edgy and out there, but it's a lot of fun, very editorial like, and it's just fun to play around with. So if you want to learn how to get this look, just keep watching. And by the way, I'm not naked. I'm wearing this super cute tube top from Urban Outfitters and the camera just won't fit everything in, so just in case you were wondering, not that anyone cares. I hope you guys were able to follow along with that video. Definitely feel free to skip over the whole glossy lid part because it does get really messy and I ended up fixing it off camera, but that's okay. Quick fun fact for you guys. I am an Aquarius Sun, Pisces Moon, and Rising Capricorn, and if you know what the hell I'm talking about, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what signs you guys are because I seriously love reading up on other people's birth charts. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!